Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and a very warm welcome to all of you. Welcome to another English class. I hope that everyone is fine and doing just great. Okay, we'll start our lesson and this day with the holy name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Okay, students, last time we started our unit number 18, that was the Wizard of Oz. We were done with some reading of comprehension and dialogue. Today we are going to start a new lesson, that is lesson number 2, and it is a lesson of unit number 18 as well. So the topic is transport. So today we are going to learn about few vehicles that are used to transport or to carry passengers or goods or any other thing that we want to transport from one place to the other place. Okay, at the beginning of the world or at the beginning of development, there weren't much of the transport facility, as the people they used to walk by foot or they use some carriage or cart or some animals. Most of the time, there were domestic animals that were used for this purpose, like carrying of passengers, like carrying of goods, and any other thing. So, first of all, we will pronounce the vehicle and we will learn about the pronunciation of the vehicle, that how they are pronounced, and every vehicle has its own speciality, that at what point or at what like place we can use what type of vehicle. So number first one is coach. Okay, it is pronounced as coach. This one, the coach is a big bus that carries more than 20 or 30 passengers at the same time. The coach. Second, motorbike. Okay, you all know what motorbike is, and I think most of the boys are interested in riding this motorbike, so we can pronounce this as motorbike. All right. Third one is helicopter. Okay, helicopter, it covers a huge or a large area in a very small time or a very short span of time. Number fourth one is jet. So jet is also an aeroplane. Okay, aeroplane can fly over the ocean or desert or land, and it also carries passenger like 2 or 300 or more than 300 passengers at the same time. Number fifth one is a car. A car is like everybody owns a car these days, and it is an easy transport that is available. Next is minibus. A minibus is sort of a van that most of the students or and people use to travel every day, like from home to school and from school to again their home. Seventh one is bicycle, and the eighth one is a jeep. So basically a jeep is a vehicle that is used to travel on the roads that are not very smooth, on a rough road or a bumpy ride. For some bumpy rides we use the jeep because it gives us greater grip and a passenger can easily travel with the help of this jeep. So these are the few transport means or mode of communication or transportation. So you must aware of these things, and you must also know the pronunciation of these words. And the next exercise number 2, we are given some examples, and with these examples we can construct a sentence like ask and answer. What can you fly, drive, or ride? Like among these vehicle, that you have to distinguish that what are the things that, or what are the vehicles that you can ride or fly or drive. For example, you can fly a helicopter and you can fly a jet, but you will not use the term fly for car or jeep. All right, because you basically drive the car or jeep. So and you also ride the bus and you also ride the minibus. You can construct sentences with the help of this example. So this is it about today, and I want you guys to construct sentences by keeping this example in your mind, and I will see you next class. Till then, take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.